Xi'an Bell Tower is now at the great center of the city, but when it was built more than 600 years ago, it wasn't there. So, how did it end up here? Hi, I'm Dennis and this is Xi'an Bell Tower. When the bell tower was built in 1384 during Ming Dynasty, it was closer to the west gate, and in 1582 moved to its current location. What's interesting here is that the tower was moved as a whole, but why? It's 36 meters in height and more than 1300 square meters large. It almost makes a tennis court, by the way. It's not easy to move around a stone building that big. We have a legend explaining this. During Ming Dynasty, a very strong earthquake hit China. At the time, people believed that it was caused by a dragon living in the underground river beneath the city. This is a mythical creature lives in water called Jiaolong. Advisors of the emperor told him if they move the bell tower just above the dragon's cave, it won't cause earthquakes anymore, because the bell sound is heavenly and will protect the people, frighten the dragon. Then the tower was moved to current location, where it needed just above the dragon cave. Some scholars says the real reason was make the sound high enough in every corner of the city, since one of the main purposes of the bell tower is to give the time along with the drum tower. And it's more efficient when it is at the center. But there is another trick here. When it was built, it was at the center. So the center was shifted to the east because the city walls were expanded to the east. So 2 centuries after its construction, it's moved as a whole to the crossing point of these avenues, what we call in Chinese big north, south, west and east roads. This bell with heavenly sound, Jing Yun Zhong, is actually much older than the building. It was crafted in 711 ED during Tang, and brought to the bell tower after its construction during Ming. Then it was transferred to the Beilin Museum in 1953 and protected there since then. The metal is copper tin alloy and 6 tons. It's a lot of matter considering 8th century. Liberty Bell in Philadelphia is less than 1 ton, for example. There is some calligraphy on the bell. The characters were written by the emperor himself. It's important because no other bell has this privilege. Writings are about Taoist doctrines and the crafting procedure of the bell. Also, there are some animal motifs like lions and birds. What makes this building so special now is that it is the biggest and the most well-protected bell tower all over China. We can see other bell towers like the one in Beijing, but it's not this well protected, and also there are some others that even couldn't make it to the present day. The construction material for the first floor is stone bricks and upper floors are wooden. Like I mentioned, it's a Ming Dynasty building and it carries the typical features of its era, like raised green eaves and heavy dugongs. Dugongs are these beautiful flower-like sets of brackets made of layers of woods, basically those in gongs. They are elegant as well as practical. It can protect the base from rainwater. It even has ability to protect the building from earthquakes by acting as shock absorbers. And there's this big hole under the building. People used to go through from here, but now modern traffic flows by around the building, leaving the building as an island at the center of the ancient city. Now it's a tourist spot attracting people from China and all around the world. Thanks for watching and hope to see you next time.